Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this no pull dog harness. It is reflective adjustable vest with a training handle. Alright, so today we have received our dog harness. This one's by Phoepet. This one is in pink. They do offer several different colors, but I wanted to go with pink. They also offered in several different sizes. You've got small, medium, large, and extra large. So this one here is a large because I have two huskies, so my huskies are wearing a size large. I like to use this Phoepet because they are super nice. The buckles here do not break, do not wither. You don't have to worry about your dogs chewing it because they are nice and sturdy. So the metal leash attachment hooks on it helps with training. These are really super nice and they are super easy to connect to your dog. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to latch the first top ones. So you just latch this over your dog's head. So you can see the first two which are the shoulder straps. I'm just going to go and put it over my dog's head, and then I'll tighten up the back strap that will go under her belly. So you can see right here is the front part. So all you got to do is take the front part, latch them two together, the top and the bottom. So when you do that, you'll just make a little hole like you can see right here, and then you just flip this over your dog's head. This is super easy to do. And on the bottom you just grab it around their shoulder, and then you latch this part right here. You grab the other side, you latch that one, and then you can tighten the straps. It is super easy. These ones do have an ultra reflective strip. Their reflective stitching help useful when the sun starts to go down. Your dogs can be seen with the light. They do have a sturdy handle. This handle has helped to control your dog when they get super excited. And I like the fact that this harness right here is super sturdy. I did purchase two of them for both of my huskies. Both of my huskies are about 50 pounds each. You can see they've got a little clip right here. You can use that for their name collar, and on the back they also got another one so you can strap your leash to it. This one is a really nice one. I highly recommend. If you're looking for a nice harness for your pet, I would highly recommend checking out this Phoepet.